It's another lovely time to be alive again, just to share knowledge and on this platform to be able to express ourselves, especially when it comes to real estate. My name is Chudi Kalu. They call me Coach Chudi. On this episode of Rental Income Show, we're going to be talking about something very, very interesting. It is interesting because that is what I currently live my life for, and that is what I'm helping a lot of people trying to equip themselves with in terms of getting more rental income properties. It is interesting today because a lot of people now are now beginning to see or buy into the rental income game, or trying to take advantage of the rental income opportunity, or within the rental income space want to make money. Now today I'm going to be talking about something very interesting: why real estate is one of the best ways to make money, or why rental income is one of the best ways you should be looking at making money. Real estate is quite broad, but when you let us focus on rental income, and why you should be focusing on rental income development to make money. Why should you now start investing in rental income development for you to start making money? And I'm going to be sharing just three aspects of those things. Three reasons why you should be looking at real estate investment to make money, especially when it comes to rental income development. When I mean rental income development, I mean real estate opportunity that gives you residual income again and again, that gives you cash flow benefits, real estate income that gives you opportunity for you to be able to build massive wealth. So we're going to be looking at how this will help benefit you and I and everyone who participates in this rental income game. Why real estate? Real estate has been in existence before creation. Because some of us who are Christians, when God created man, what did he look at? Before he created man, before he even created anything, what he first looked at was real estate. He saw that the face of the deep. What was the deep? The deep was also earth. The deep was also, so he only created the heavens and the earth. But what did he do with the heavens and the earth? He made it maybe more conducive for people to be able to live in, for plants to be able to grow and all of that. Now, real estate is very, very key for every one of us. And that is why we must not dilly-dally in investing in real estate. However, it is important we get the money aspect right. Because sometimes a lot of us, we want to invest in real estate. But most times, one of the reasons why we are not participating in this real estate because we don't even know how to get started. We are not seeing the money aspect of it. We are not seeing the opportunities that this real estate portends for every one of us. So some people believe that real estate is for some people, real estate isn't for me. So one of the things that we have done, some of us have done, is that we have rigged ourselves out of exciting deals. We have rigged ourselves out of important opportunities that we should have been taken advantage of. Now today, a lot of people are wondering, how do I participate in this real estate game when it comes to rental income? The question I will always ask to you, because some of us, we are already used to a certain kind of investment. We're already involved in buying plots of land. If I'm going to ask you, probably you have maybe about 12 plots of land somewhere, maybe in Ikorodu, or probably you have a plot of land somewhere in Imowe, or probably you have a plot of land somewhere in Agbara, and you probably maybe have like 2 or 3 or 5 acres of land. And the question I'm going to also ask you again is this: how much are you making from that plot of land that you have in Ikorodu? How much are you making from that plot of land that you have in Simawa, Ibadan, Lagos-Ibadan Expressway axis, and Lagos-Agbara axis, and all of that? The question, if you're not making money from it, you need to now look at real estate from a different perspective, from the rental income perspective. What is rental income? Rental income is something that gives you consistent income again and again. And I'm going to be discussing 3 things that you need to do right now, why rental income is the way to go in terms of real estate investment. Now, one of the things that rental income does for people is that, one, rental income is good to look at rental income in terms of, one, first of all, you need predictability. You need predictability. You need predictable income. That's one of the reasons why you should be doing rental income. You need predictable income. You need income that is predictable. You don't want to have a situation whereby your money is flowing into your pocket, and you cannot say in February this year, or in February 2020 I'm going to make money. You need to be able to have something that is predictable. You need to be able to predict what the future will be like for you. Now, there's no way to guarantee that the future is going to be exceptional for anybody. But the way to guarantee that the future is going to be exceptional for you is when you start taking advantage of rental income market or the rental income space. What is even rental income? First of all, Now, when it comes to real estate, let us understand this. When we talk about rental income, I'm not talking about you having commercial development or you having a property whereby you have fleets of shops and all of that. I'm talking of something that will be much tangible, that will never go out of vogue. And I'm going to be explaining how that will work later on. But first of all, you need predictable income. Every one of us need predictable income. Every one of us need income. One of the reasons why some of us are on certain kind of jobs, even though you don't even like that job that you're doing, why we are on that job is because that job can guarantee certain level of predictable income for us. And so as long as that job can give us that predictable income, we'll be on it. We don't like it, but we'll be on it. Why? Because that job is giving us what? Predictable income. One, because predictable income gives you what? It gives you a sense of security. Now, it gives you a sense of security that, you know what, even though this money is coming in trickles, even though this money is not voluminous, maybe this money is not coming in millions, but as long as it's coming again and again and again and again and again, as long as this income is coming again and again, I'm very much okay. So for you, what you need to be able to do for your future to be okay, for your future to be great, what you need to do is to look in terms of what? Predictable income. Number two is also, you also need to look at something that is also, you need to also look at something that is tangible investment and tangible assets. Why? One thing about real estate is that you can feel real estate. You cannot only feel real estate, you can touch real estate. You can touch real estate. You cannot just only feel real estate, you can what? You can touch real estate. So let's talk about when we see, let us say we talk about real estate, for example. If it's not physical, because real estate is not in the air, real estate is not a software, real estate is not an app, real estate is tangible, real estate is physical. That is why real estate can never go out of extinction. Real estate cannot be destroyed. I'm telling you this, real estate cannot be destroyed. Real estate will never go out of vogue. You will never put real estate in an app or a software will take us all and say, okay, you know what, it will be eroded by one software. Now, let me tell you this. Some businesses will go out of vogue because of what? Because of certain software. Some software will come in, and that's why some of the people who have maybe mega shopping malls, complexes, some of those complexes or shopping malls might go out of vogue subsequently. However, with residential development, maybe a multi-family apartment or so, will never go out of fashion. Why? Because it is tangible. It is an investment that cannot go out of vogue. And that is why you need to do real estate. Some of the businesses that, for example, there are some cameras that those days, cameras that you require those days. But those cameras today are out of vogue. There are some printing machines that in those days that you probably have. But today, in 2019, those things are out of fashion. Why? Because those things go into extinction. But real estate, especially when it comes to commercial, residential development, never be extinct. And that is why you need to be able to look at it in terms of tangibility. Somebody says, oh, will you rather invest in a software company or you invest in real estate? I will first invest in real estate before I invest in a software company. Why? Because I know that real estate cannot be eroded. Now, if there is something, let me tell you this. If real estate is not working, it is easy for you to see it. If something isn't working, it is easy for you to see it. If something is not getting, the result you are not getting for real estate is not, you are not happy with it, it is easy for anybody to see it. Like, for example, let us take, for example, you go to a site, for example, and you see people working. Maybe you went, maybe 2 years ago, you see people working on a site. And maybe 6 months thereafter, 3 months after, the same site, but nobody working on the site. Then you begin to know that that site is already having what? The people working on that site, they're already having some financial problems. That's why that site isn't working. That is just the basic. And that's why, because real estate is about tangibility. So there's nothing that you can say. As long as people can see it, real estate will always be in existence. So that's one of the things that you need to, that's why you need to put your investment into something that is predictable, something that you can also see. Then the number one also is that real estate gives you consistent cash flow, consistent income. We've talked about predictability, but predictability is not also sometimes consistent. Consistent income. What is cash flow? Cash flow. Cash flow. The word cash flow is gotten from two words. Cash and flow. So cash plus flow is what gives you cash flow. What is cash flow? Cash flow is something, when the cash is flowing, probably it could be flowing in, it could also be flowing out. Now, let me tell you this. Our problem as individuals, when it comes to money, it's not about it's not about the lifestyle we are living. Our problem is that our cash flow or our income is not matching up with our lifestyle. So the problem for most people is not even their lifestyle, because the truth of the matter is that some of us want to live the luxurious lifestyle. Some of us want to live the big man lifestyle. But the reason why we cannot maintain that big man lifestyle is simply this: our cash is not flowing well, or our cash is not meeting, the income is not meeting up with the lifestyle. So what do you need to work on? You need to work on what? You need to work on your income, and you need to work on the consistency of your income. And that is one of the things that real estate gives to you when you are doing such. Real estate gives you the opportunity for you to enjoy consistent income. Why? Because as long as people are on the face of this earth, they will always need a place to put a roof over their heads. They will always need a place to go do business. They will always need a place to be able to move to. And that is one of the things. And let me tell you this: real estate is not about structure. Real estate is not about engineering, designs, and all of that. Real estate is about people. And anywhere people are, real estate will always thrive. Real estate profits with people. Now, the reason why anybody can make progress, let me tell you this: there's no great location without people. Anything, location is simply about people. Population. So anything, location is simply what? Population. So wherever people are gathered, as long as people are there, real estate will thrive. So for you to be able to gather consistent income, except the earth has been wiped off, that's when real estate will not thrive. But as long as the earth remains, as long as this world is still in existence, real estate will always thrive. And that's what gives you consistent income. So when we are saying, come and do real estate, we are simply saying, you know what, you can enjoy predictability. We are simply saying, you know what, you can enjoy, you can see practical things. Anything that is not visible, if it's not visible, it's not real estate. But if it's visible, it is real estate. So you can see it, you can touch it, you can go there, you can inspect it, you can touch it. You have also document to also prove. But beyond the document that you can prove, like for example, if you want to verify the details of a property, what do you go to? You have certain places that you go to. In Dubai, you go to the Department of Lands in Dubai. In Nigeria, in Lagos, you go to Alausa. There is the Lands Department in Alausa that you probably go to go and inspect, to go and check the viability of the property. So for anywhere, there is always something, there's always evidence. Real estate is about evidence. That is why they call it real estate. There are many real estates. There are many estates. But the only one that is real and tangible is real estate. It's the one that probably you are standing on. It's the one that probably there's a roof over your head in. But because you can touch the wall, you can touch the space, you can feel it. If something is not working, you can feel it. The other part is consistency. I love consistency when it comes to rental income. Why? Because you can predict it. There are some people who have built houses for the last 20 years. And every year they earn rental income on those houses. What is that thing that they are earning? That's consistent income. That thing that they are earning is consistent income. Now, you can imagine somebody who did an investment over 40 years ago and he built one house. And from one house, he has earned over 40 times on that house on a yearly basis. That is what you call consistent income. Now, real estate gives you opportunity to do a one-time investment, and you keep on repeating that income, and you become earning income again and again. So one-time investment can give you what? A lifetime of cash flow. And that is one of the things that you need to think about. Now, when we are talking about real estate here, or rental or real estate, I'm not talking about doing real estate in a small way. I'm talking about doing real estate in a massive way. Real estate is just a way that you can take advantage of the opportunities that are within the space. Why? Because Nigeria has not even scratched the surface yet. Most of us, we have not scratched the surface of real estate. Some of us, we are still behind land. Whereas we can do 20 apartments of 2 bedrooms, 20 units of 2 bedrooms. Just imagine you have 20 units of 2 bedrooms, of 2 bedroom apartments, 20 units. And every year, that 20 units is probably giving you maybe about, let's say, 700,000 naira a year, 700k a year. Now that will simply mean on a yearly basis about 14 million naira every year. That's what you'll be making. So I'm not talking about, and just imagine that there's no appreciation of property for the next 40 years. If you are living for the next 40 years, maybe you are in your 30s today, and let's say, okay, for the next 40 years, you are guaranteed income of 14 million naira on a yearly basis. Now, let's imagine that you bought the property. They say that you bought the property for 60 million. Let us say, imagine that you bought the property for, let's say, 6.6 times for each one, times, let's say 6 million naira. 6 million naira times what? Times 20 will give us 120 million naira. So 120 million naira. So 120 million naira in how many years? I'm making 14 million naira. In 10 years, I will have made my money back. And in 30 years, I will have made serious money from my real estate investment. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? So now, in 10 years, I've made my money back. And in 40 years, in the next 40 years, and guess what? I can will this property to my children. Now, even if tomorrow the property now begins to appreciate, and we say, okay, you know what, let us add maybe about an extra 300,000 naira on it. It will mean that the property will jump to 1 million naira on a yearly basis for anyone who wants to make money. And that is one of the benefits that you enjoy in real estate. Now, I'm not saying you should do real estate the way everybody else is doing it, or probably maybe the way we've been brought up to do real estate. I'm simply saying do real estate in such a way that is not yet conventional, because this is the real deal. Now, the real deal is about our population is increasing. The Nigerian population is increasing on a daily basis. And that's why you need to take advantage of this Nigerian population. Now, there may be issues in the politics. There may be issues in the economy. But guess what? You need to be able to focus in this direction. Because that is what you can safeguard. That is your future that we are talking about here. You taking advantage and you liberating yourself financially. And that is what, because you can only determine the greatness of your own economy, of your own personal economy, by the investment that you are taking advantage of. And that is why you need to be able to think in terms of rental income development. I'm saying this with all passion because this is what I'm doing. And I'm giving people opportunity every day to now invest in real estate in such a way that they can generate consistent and residual income for the rest of their lives. So the other part that I probably maybe want to give as bonus is simply this. One thing that real estate does for you, it gives you opportunity for you to invest again and again. And now this is what so if you invest one time, it gives you opportunity for you to reinvest again and again. Why? Because they are not making more lands on the face of the earth. But guess what? They are making more babies on the face of the earth. They are making more people on the face of the earth. And as long as they are making more people on the face of the earth, what happens? The value of real estate jumps up consistently. Why? Because they may not be making more lands, but they are making more babies. So there is need for real estate. Like I also said, real estate is not about land. It's not about the land you have. Real estate is about what? It's about the opportunity that you are seeing in people. As long as people are moving to a particular location, it is a great location for you to be able to set yourself apart and enjoy rental income. Now, I know that some of us are curious and want to be able to find and learn more, one or two things from the concept that we are pitching. Thank you very much for staying with us. God bless you. Adios.